G'day and welcome back to the Aussie Motorhome and RV Show, powered by RV3D, Australia's custom 3D printing specialists for caravans, motorhomes and RVs. Find them at rv3d.com.au. Series 3, Episode 2, Water Systems, Tanks, Pumps, Hot Water and Grey Water. Water is the most fundamental resource in your motorhome. Understanding your water system, how it works, how to maintain it and how to manage it efficiently is one of the most practical skills a traveller can develop. Fresh water tanks. Most motorhomes have between 80 and 200 litres of storage. Know your tank capacity and your daily consumption. Conservative use, Navy showers, careful cooking, typically 15 to 30 litres per day for a couple. Full normal use can reach 60 to 80 litres per day. These two numbers determine your off-grid range. Installing an Enviro water saver valve is another simple but effective upgrade. Rather than letting cold water run down the drain while you wait for it to warm up, the valve redirects that cold water back to your tank until the flow reaches temperature. Then it switches to the tap automatically. It's a smart way to recover water you'd otherwise waste every time you run the hot tap. Tank hygiene is often neglected. Sanitizing your tank at the start of each season, a dilute bleach solution left for several hours then thoroughly flushed, is recommended practice. Water sitting in tanks for extended periods should be treated with caution. Portable water filters add a useful safety margin for water from unfamiliar supplies. 12-volt demand water pumps activate when pressure drops when you open a tap. These pumps are reliable but do fail. Carrying a spare suitable for your system is sensible for extended remote travel. A pump that runs constantly without maintaining pressure usually indicates a leak or a failed pump diaphragm. Hot water systems. Gas instantaneous provides endless hot water but requires gas supply. Electric storage heats a tank and has a limited supply before reheating. Some are combination gas/electric. Storage systems need periodic anode replacement. The sacrificial anode corrodes preferentially to protect the tank. An anode that's consumed allows the tank itself to corrode. Check your system's manual for replacement intervals. Grey water management is increasingly important. Grey water must not be dumped on the ground in most camping areas. A grey water tank, portable grey water container or treatment system are the options. Know what your rig has and plan accordingly. Plumbing bracket failures are common in older motorhomes. After extended corrugation travel, PETG replacement brackets from RV3D hold up significantly better than aged original components. If you're seeing cracked or brittle plumbing supports, rv3d.com.au has solutions. Water conservation habits, Navy showers, washing up in a small basin rather than running water. These habits extend your off-grid range meaningfully. Next episode, travelling with pets. What Australian RV travellers need to know about dogs, cats and national park rules. This has been the Aussie Motorhome and RV Show, powered by RV3D. For custom 3D printed parts built for Australian conditions, visit rv3d.com.au. That's eyes3d.com.au. Safe travels, and we'll see you next episode.